right, got it plugged in. Let's go ahead and turn this thing on. Check this out, Laifen has sent me this right here. This is their Ionic blow dryer, their SE2 in the color matte purple. Let's go ahead and unbox this beauty and check out the features of it. And they also have other colors available, so make sure you guys go check out their website and see what they have available. It has some magnetic attachments as well. So let's go ahead and open this up and see everything you get inside of this box. It's a really nice, simple packaging. A logo right here in the front. Slide this top off. All right, look at this thing. This is super modern, high-tech looking, smooth, beautiful matte purple color. Make sure you remove these right here. That's gonna be your protective covering. But it has it on here as well. It'll tell you right on the back side of here up close what these buttons are for. So this top one right here is switched all the way down to off. You got your low speed, your high speed. So these are gonna be your speeds right here. And the one at the bottom is going to be your temperature setting. So long press to activate temperature cycling, press 2 times to activate child mode. So it also has a child mode on there as well. Go ahead and remove this. Pull where the little green arrow is to remove the protective covering. We'll lift this up to find out what's underneath. Even the cord is purple, which is really nice. It's got a reset and test button on the back there as well. So really nice power cord organizer right here that it comes with. You can neatly put it away. Lift this up. You are gonna find the smooth nozzle in here to help smooth out your hair. So all these pieces right here should just kind of magnetically attach. So right there is the ring. You can kind of see the magnet there, as well as this part right here has a magnet right there. This is the smooth nozzle. Let's go ahead and see how that attaches. That was so simple. No needing to turn it or anything, pull it off to take it off, attach it like that. That was so simple. Very cool. Now this thing supposedly has 5 different LED colors. I am going to turn this on. It will be loud later on. I want to test out how loud or quiet this thing really is. Inside of this, you're going to find the user manual right here. Kind of a puzzle to try to get this thing out, but it also comes with a diffuser head, which is also magnetic. So that's everything inside of this box right here that you get. Instruction manual, as well as 2 attachments that are magnetic. So this is a large diffuser head right here. So if you're drying and you want to add texture to your hair, this is the perfect thing right here to use. But this thing is nice. Really loving these magnetic attachments here. Oop, check that out. Super modern. Let's go ahead and plug this in so you can kind of hear how it sounds. Cord organizer is actually attached to the cord, so you're not going to lose this thing. It's attached to it, which makes it really nice to find. Be able to find and organize that cord so you don't have cords hanging around everywhere. Before you plug this in, pull this protective covering off this plastic right there. All right, got it plugged in. Let's go ahead and turn this thing on. That was on the low speed, which is the line that has 1 on it, and that was really powerful. You can see it move this box. I'm gonna go ahead and turn it to 2 now so you can really see the power on it. That's powerful. All right, so let's see. On the back of it should have a heat mode as well. Okay, so I see what the LED colors are on this thing. So it looks like blue is gonna be your cold. To change your temperature, you're gonna hit this right here. So you hit it again, that yellow ring or orange ring comes up, that is going to be your low heat. And then the red comes on and that is your high heat. And it changes very quickly. So you're not having to wait very long for the temperature to change, which is really nice. But this thing is really powerful for the size of this. Nice matte purple color. I'm really impressed by it, truly. Love the magnetic attachments it comes with. It is pretty awesome. If you guys are in the market for a new blow dryer, an Ionic blow dryer that is, go check out this one. I think it's totally worth it. It is quality.